Clone Stamp Tool. The Clone Stamp tool lets us duplicate a part of an image. This tool uses a portion of the image as a sample which is used as a reference to create another image. To use the Clone Stamp tool, follow the given step. 1. Right-click on the Pattern Stamp tool. 2. Select the Clone Stamp tool. 3. Select the settings in the options bar and make sure you have selected an appropriate brush size and type. 4. Press and hold the Alt key and click on the area of the image you want to copy from. 5. Click and drag to draw where you want the cloned image to appear. Pattern Stamp tool. The Pattern Stamp tool allows us to paint a style pattern to an image. We can use the brush stroke technique to draw our patterns. To use the Pattern Stamp tool, follow the given step. 1. Click on the Pattern Stamp tool. 2. Click on the pattern picker. 3. Select the option grass and choose desired pattern. 4. Click and drag the area to apply the pattern. The background of the image changes with the Pattern Stamp tool.